we are looking at how to pronounce this name. This is a name that is given after a town in southwestern France, famous because the Virgin Mary is said to have appeared here to a local woman. How do you go about pronouncing it? This name in English is normally pronounced as Lourdes. Lourdes. Pretty straightforward once you know Lourdes. If you're wondering how to say it in French, I made a video about it right here. If you're wondering how to say it in Spanish, because this is a popular Spanish name as well, I made another video about this. And more videos about how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.